Hi everyone. Today I'm doing some NoWeed Foil. Now we print a lot of t-shirts as samples and we give most of them to a men's shelter. So this one's already been printed on the front, but I want to print something on the back just to show you again how to do this NoWeed Foil, which is super fast and easy. You want to pre-press your garment so it eliminates the wrinkles and moisture. When you use NoWeed Foil, you have to have a heat press, right? And the heat press is set to 315 degrees. And I've already prepared my image. And you want, before you even pick an image, especially if you're in Google Images, make sure that you go into Tools and then Size and Larger Than, and choose 4MP if you can, because it'll give you these really crisp edges that are great for adhering your foil. No fuzzy edges. Okay, you're going to put it on your garment image side down and press it for 10 to 15 seconds. As I said, the heat press is set to 315 degrees. And this peel is going to be a hot peel. And of course, if you have wording, peel it low and slow. If you have wording on your image, you want to do mirror image. Okay, next I've cut some foil to the size of this image, and you're going to put it shiny side up. All right. Cover this with a release paper, and this we're going to press for 10 seconds. I mentioned that it's silhouette, right? You need to have those black lines. I think I did. Okay, that's 10 seconds. You can see, well, you probably can't see because you're way up there, but the image is already starting to come through. But you want to cold peel this. So I'm just going to use a cooling block to cold peel it. If you don't have a cooling block, just shake your garment gently. And now we're going to, again, roll it from the top, carefully down. And there we have it. But we want you to press this one more time, and that will bond your image to your garment. And then wait a day or two before you wash it, and when you do wash it inside out. Foil doesn't last forever, but it will last for many, many, many washings. And there we have it. This is the front, and this is the back. I kind of like that saying for me too. For more tutorial videos, just head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe, and hit that little bell button so you'll be notified of future videos. Thanks everyone.